Is Vogany.com really the amazing deal it claims to be, or is it just another questionable online store trying to lure shoppers with unbelievable discounts? At first glance, Vogany looks pretty tempting, offering orthopedic shoes, waterproof sneakers, comfy brass, and cargo pants all at up to 70% off with free tracked shipping, which sounds like a steal. But when I started digging deeper, some serious red flags came up that you need to know before placing an order. For starters, the website claims to have been around since 2015, but a quick domain lookup shows it was only registered in 2024, which makes that claim very suspicious. There's no real company information or physical address anywhere on the site, which is a big warning sign for any online store. They have over 1,800 product reviews posted right on their own site, but shockingly, there are 0 reviews on trustworthy third-party platforms like Trustpilot. That's pretty unusual for a business that's supposedly been operating for years. To dig even deeper, I ran reverse image searches on their product photos and found the exact same images all over Pinterest and other unrelated sites, which suggests these might not be authentic or original products exclusive to Vogany. Adding to the mystery, Vogany doesn't have any social media presence at all, which is rare for an e-commerce brand today since social platforms are a key way to build trust and connect with customers. So is Vogany legit or just another potentially fake website? It's hard to say for sure, but all the signs definitely point to being cautious and doing your homework before buying from them. In this video, I go through everything I found, the good and the bad, so you can make an informed decision and avoid getting scammed. If you've come across a suspicious website you want me to investigate, drop the link in the comments below. Remember, stay smart, stay safe, and subscribe for more honest reviews and scam alerts that help protect your wallet.